In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to decide whether to turn on Gmail's smart features and guide you through how to toggle them on or off. So let's dive right in. Deciding whether to enable Gmail's smart features really boils down to your personal needs and preferences. These features can significantly streamline your email experience, making it more efficient and tailored to your routine. If you find yourself wanting to speed up your typing and replies, Gmail's predictive text and smart reply functions can be real game changers. They help save time by providing suggestions as you type, allowing for quicker communication. For those who struggle with keeping their inbox organized, Gmail's smart organization features are designed to automatically sort your emails, placing priority messages where you can easily find them, and grouping similar types of messages together. This can be especially handy if you're managing a high volume of emails regularly. The overall productivity boost is notable too, as the time spent on manually sorting and filtering emails can be redirected to more pressing tasks. On the other hand, if you're someone who values privacy above all, or if you're not comfortable with artificial intelligence processing your emails, you might prefer to have these smart features turned off. When disabled, you gain more control over how your emails are organized, and you can dictate exactly how your inbox functions without the interference of AI predicting or filtering your content. Some users might even find a sense of peace in maintaining a minimalist Gmail experience, focusing purely on the emails themselves without the added layers of automation. Now, if you decide you want to change the settings for these smart features, let me walk you through how you can turn them on or off. First, you'll need to open Gmail on your computer. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon located at the top right corner of your Gmail interface. Click on that and you'll see the option to see all settings. Go ahead and click that link, which will lead you to the full settings menu. Next, navigate to the General tab. This is where most of your basic Gmail settings are housed. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Smart Features and Personalization. You will be presented with an option to either enable or disable these features. If you want Gmail to provide those smart suggestions and organization helps, choose on. Alternatively, select off if you'd prefer not to have Gmail process your content for these features. Finally, you'll confirm your selection and Gmail will automatically reload. This refresh is important to ensure your settings are applied correctly. And there you have it, your Gmail experience is now tailored to better suit your needs, be it smart convenience or enhanced privacy and control. I hope this guide helps you to make the best decision for your Gmail usage. Thanks for watching and feel free to ask any questions in the comments.